How to turn on or turn off hide offensive words for Samsung keyboard voice input on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. And from here, we then tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, we go down and then tap on voice input. Now at the top here, select Samsung voice input, and then we go down to other settings section and then tap on hide offensive words. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on hide offensive words. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.